Hello, my name is Hans George Campbell, and today I thought I'd show you my Commodore Amiga pickup for August of 2019. I've got a lot to show here and a lot more behind me, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is I got this Amiga 500 computer in its original rainbow box. It's in pretty nice shape, you know, and well, you see it's still in its original plastic, you know, it's pretty nice shape. It has a manual and everything underneath. So, you guys have seen Amiga 500s before, so I don't have to dig it out. I also got a couple of bare Amiga 500 computers. Let me aim the camera down a little bit. Yeah, that's, I think, a little bit better. Yeah. A little bit better. But anyway, I got a couple of bare Amiga 500 computers. One of them had a Rev 6 motherboard. And I immediately took that out because I keep all the Rev 6 Amiga 500 motherboards for my own collection. And I replaced it with a Rev 5. But I got two complete Amiga 500 computers, you know, just by themselves, just the computer itself. And they're in pretty good shape. They're not yellowed, and they work, so that's always a good thing. That's one of them. Okay. And I got another one. Now, okay, this one it's complete except for the keyboard. It works and everything, but I need to get a keyboard for it. So that's the second. Actually, now that's three Amiga 500 computers that I got. Okay, this one just needs a keyboard. Alrighty, so we got that. I also got in this pickup an Amiga 2000 computer in pretty good shape. It's got a matching pair of drives. It's missing this cover and it's missing the LED cover, but other than that, it's in pretty good shape. I already took all the boards out of it. But yeah, Amiga 2000 computer. It had a video toaster and I took that out and had the boards that go with the video toaster. So I already took all those boards out and I'll show those to you too. Yeah. Alrighty. I'll be right back. I have to turn the light on. Alrighty, I also got, let's see, two Amiga 2000 keyboards. Yeah, and for some reason, Amiga 2000 keyboards in any condition, as long as they work and they're not badly yellowed, they're averaging around $150 each. I don't know why that is, but for some reason, the prices on Amiga 2000 keyboards have gone up quite a bit. So there's one Amiga 2000 keyboard. Okay. And then I got another one here that is part of the toaster system. So let me get something to cut that. Never wrap up electronics in plastic like this. It generates way too much static electricity. Way too much static electricity. But luckily this keyboard is in a plastic case, so it's protected, you know. But I'm going to quickly get this out of here. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got another Amiga 2000 keyboard. This one was the one that was used apparently with the video toaster. It just needs cleaning up. It's not yellowed or anything like that. It just needs to be cleaned up. But I think it's kind of interesting that it has all these stickers on it for use with the video toaster. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, so 2 Amiga 2000 keyboards. But wait, there's a lot more. I got a Multi-Start 2 in the original box. It's brand new. Multi-Start 2 in the original box. Okay. And I got this beautiful, like new condition in its original box, a GVP GeForce 030 combo. Now this is the 40 megahertz version, and it has 4 megabytes of memory on board, and well, it's been upgraded to the full 16 megabytes of 32-bit memory. So it's a really nice board. Has onboard SCSI and all that, so it's a really nice board. When I saw this, I said, oh yeah, I'm going to stick this in my main Amiga 2000 along with the next board that I'm fixing to show you. Okay. I was real happy when I saw this because I've always wanted one of these boards. A Picasso 2 board. I've always wanted one of these boards. Always. And every time I've seen one on eBay, they are very expensive. But yeah, this is going into my main Amiga 2000 computer along with that 030 board, that GeForce 030. And I think they'll make a nice set. I think that'll be a pretty nice Amiga 2000 computer. But yeah, Picasso 2 board with a full 2 megabytes of memory, you know, graphics memory. So when I saw that, I said, oh yeah, I had to have that. That's nice. Yeah, I had to have that. Okay. And I also got the driver discs. I put them in this plastic bag here to keep them from getting messed up, but I got the original driver's discs that came with the board. So I'll go ahead and just put them in there like that. And this way they're in the box with the board. Okay. So those two, they'll be put into my main Amiga 2000 computer. I also got a Mega chip that was in that Amiga 2000 computer with the video toaster. So I got one of these Mega chip boards. You know, I got one of those, so I thought that was pretty interesting. These go for a lot of money right now. In fact, I was just looking online last night, And a few of these sold for $200. I couldn't believe it how much these are going for now. I mean, oh my God. I don't use these because they're prone to cracking and breaking the Agnes socket, and I don't want to do that. I actually do the 2 meg chip RAM upgrade directly on the motherboard. Alrighty, I also got, complete with the manual, the Super Drive board, but for some reason it's missing the part that goes here. I don't know why, but you don't really need that. You just take these boards off, plug the board directly in, have your ribbon cable go to your hard drive, and you know, it should work just fine, no problem. But I got that along with the manual, so that's pretty cool. In fact, what I should do is go ahead and put the manual in here with the board. It's not going to generate static electricity, so it should be fine. Yeah, I'll put that like that. Okay. And then I got 2 more boards here to show. This one is a, I think it's a Supra memory board. Yeah, a Supra memory board that has 4 megabytes of memory installed. These are one of my favorite memory boards for the Amiga 2000. I just love these memory boards. They're really good quality. Anything by Supra is good quality. It's one of my favorite companies from back in the day. Yeah, but there's a Supra memory board. Okay. Supra memory board. Okay. Alright, so I got that. And in here I got the video toaster. Got another video toaster board. Right here. The video toaster board. I thought that's pretty cool. Yeah, and there's the, yeah, and then there's the back of the, you know, back of the board. The electronics are basically, you can't see them because they're inside, you know, but yeah, it's a pretty interesting board if you ever take it apart. But yeah, the video toaster. Okay. But wait, there's more. I told you I had a lot to show in this pickup. Yeah, I got a lot to show in this pickup. Alright. Well, let me finish showing the boards. In here, I got the Genlock for the Amiga 2000. It supports both color composite and S-Video. That goes on the back of the Amiga 2000 and it plugs in to the board. But yeah, there's that. And then here's the actual board right here. Now the sad thing is that it didn't come with a slider, but she said she might have it. She has some more Amiga stuff that I'm going to buy from her, so it might be in that second lot. But this is the Genlock. It's one of my favorite Genlocks. This is a professional Genlock for the Amiga 2000. So it's analog, but it's kind of neat to mess around with it. So yeah. So yeah, it's kind of neat to mess around with it. Anyway, there's that. Okay, so okay, next we have a, remember I told you I love Super products. We got a Super Drive 500 XP. it's a hard drive for the Amiga 500. It slides into the side expansion port, and I thought that was pretty cool. And there's the bottom of it, you know, super drive. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. A Supra, you know, super drive 500 XP. And one of the things I like about Supra is all their products is just all heavy gauge metal. It's very nicely made. I love Supra products. They're just very nicely made. Okay, so there's that. And next we have a GVP Impact Series 2 hard drive for the Amiga 500. And what's nice about this one is when you plug it into the side of the Amiga 500, it matches the look and the contour of the Amiga 500 computer. So I got this right here. Just show it to you. But I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, and I also have the power supply for this, which I'm going to show you. But yeah, this is pretty nice. The GVP hard drive for the Amiga 500. Alrighty, and then here's the power supply for it. This power supply, it's got a side on-off switch, but this is the power supply for that external, that hard drive. But wait, there's more. Okay, I got a DigiView Gold with the software. The DigiView Gold. I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, I got that. And the GVP installed disk, I don't know what this goes to, but I'll find out what it goes to. But I got a bunch of software also. Like I got like literally a few hundred disks that came with this lot. I also got one of these. You know, it provides color composite output and audio from any Amiga computer that doesn't have that feature. Okay, got one of those. And let's see what else I got. Oh, I've got this here, which is, this is for the Amiga 500. It's a baseboard, which I thought was pretty cool. It's a baseboard for the Amiga 500. I thought that was pretty cool. And it includes the memory expander with it. So that's pretty cool. You got to be really careful with these because you can easily bend those pins. And you don't want to do that. So there's that. And then here's the memory board that goes with that. Yeah. This is the memory board that goes with that. I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm trying to think what memory chips it uses. Okay, standard 44 256s. Alrighty, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so there's that. And I also got, let me see, there's some other stuff I got too. I got a quantum hard drive. I don't know what size it is. Oh, it's a 540 megabyte SCSI hard drive. Yeah, a quantum hard drive. Those are always nice. And I got an extra disk drive. You can always use these. Extra disk drive for an Amiga 500 computer. I think this is a Matsushita, like a Panasonic hard drive or disk drive for the Amiga 500. You know, Amiga 500 drive. So I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. I also got a bunch of legacy PC stuff, like Enlight tower cases and Sound Blaster boards and really nice motherboards complete with the processors and the heat sinks and nice graphics cards and all kinds of stuff, you know, that I got in this lot. And I also got some CD, you know, legacy PC CD-ROM drives and DVD drives and all kinds of stuff. You know, I just got all kinds of stuff. Anyway, that's it for this lot. I think I got more than enough. I got all this stuff. I got all this stuff from a lady in Gresham, and she let me have all of this stuff for like $500, and I thought that was a very good price. I really appreciate her letting me have all this for 500 bucks. Anyway, that's it for this pickup video for August of 2019, this Amiga pickup video. I also have a Macintosh, an Apple and Macintosh pickup video coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be showing you the new Macintosh 2 CX computer with monitor and everything that I picked up recently for like $100. It was a really good price. You know, the guy let me have it for $100. And I've got a lot more videos coming up within the next few weeks, so stay tuned for these videos. You know, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and because I think you're really going to enjoy my channel. I really do. Anyway, my name is Hans George Campbell, and until next time.